Our last episode here on the Primate News channel was all about the evolution of Earth's atmosphere and its constituent parts in the modern day. Today, we are going to take a virtual tour of our solar system and look at the atmospheric details and other information pertaining to our neighbouring planets. Our solar system is so called due to the simple reason that everything in it is centred around the Sun. The word solar means something to do with the Sun. The Sun is a star, just like many we see in the night sky, but much closer to us. However, the Sun is still a very long way away, 93 million miles to be precise. It might not look that big from here on Earth, but it makes up 99% of the total mass in our solar system. Everything else combined, including all the planets, account for just 1%. The Sun is so big that if it were a giant football, the Earth would fit inside it 1 million times. It is the sheer size of the Sun and its huge centre of gravity that keeps all the other planets, including our own, circling around it instead of drifting off into space. Incredible. The heat and light from the Sun are responsible for life on Earth as we know it. Truly amazing. These models from our adventure game, available from Steam, hint hint, demonstrate the planets in our solar system and their appearance if viewed through a giant telescope, but they cannot show the huge differences in their sizes. The planet Mercury is closest to the Sun and is the smallest planet in our solar system. Mercury is similar to our Moon with small craters and no atmosphere. It only takes Mercury 88 days to travel around the Sun, unlike Earth, which as we know normally takes 365 days. Next from the Sun is Venus, often referred to as Earth's sister planet as their sizes are quite similar. However, their surfaces and atmospheres could not be more different. Venus's thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide makes it the hottest planet in our solar system. Our planet Earth is the third planet from the Sun. After Earth, there is the planet Mars, red in colour due to the high levels of iron oxide in the soil. Just like Earth, Mars has its own moons, 2 of them, although they are small and irregular shapes, unlike our own moon. The 5th planet in the solar system is Jupiter, the largest planet in the system. It is 11 times wider than Earth. Jupiter has approximately 65 moons. It is a planet made of gaseous substances and boasts extreme storms, one of which is estimated to have been going on for over 200 years. 6th in the solar system is Saturn, famous for its wonderful rings of stones and particles. Saturn is another gas giant. It also has roughly 65 moons of various sizes. Uranus is the 7th planet and also a gas giant. The planet boasts 27 known moons. Interestingly, unlike the other planets, Uranus is tilted so much that it actually spins sideways. Yet another gas giant, Neptune, comes next at position 8. It boasts a methane layer, causing it to appear blue, rather like Uranus, and 14 moons that we know of. Neptune is so far away from the Sun that it takes 164 years to complete an orbit of the Sun. Yes, truly amazing. Our solar system really is a wonderful piece of evolutionary engineering, and we hope you enjoyed this brief insight into some of its characteristics. Until we broadcast again here on the channel, thank you for watching.